Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy coins on 8-ball pool. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the coins icon in the top right corner. On this page, you can see certain amount of coins with certain amount of money. Now all you have to do is select how many coins you wanna buy. Let's say I wanna buy 2 million coins. Then I'll have to tap on the buy button of 2 million option. After that, a pop-up menu will appear. There you'll have to tap on add credit or debit card option. Then you'll have to enter your card details and proceed. Then enter the amount of money you'll have to pay. Then your account will be automatically added with 2 million coins. So that is how you can buy coins on 8-ball pool. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.